What's up, YouTube family? Hope you've all been keeping safe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's make this mirror wall clock. As always, please remember to hit the red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And without further ado, let's begin. Here's what you need for the project. I personally recommend that you use a large clock for this project. I started out by spray painting the long and short skewers with a coat of black paint. I tossed them around to make sure that all sides were painted. So I got this shell from my local clocksmith at 50 shillings, and I got a really good idea from Pinterest to make a wall mirror clock. Next, I went ahead and started gluing the long skewers. What I did for this part was to attach the skewers along the hour lines on the clock. If your clock doesn't have enough space to attach the skewers, consider attaching them on the back side. After I was done attaching the long skewers, I began to attach the shorter skewers on the minute lines next to the long skewers I had attached. For the remaining spaces, I interchanged the long and short skewers to give it a sunray design. I ran out of these painted skewers, so I continued to use the 9 painted ones to save on time. The most time was used attaching the skewers, so make sure you preheat your gun before you start the project. I then went outside and sprayed the skewers again to cover all of them with black paint. Remember to cover the front face of the clock when you do this to avoid spraying the areas you don't need, since the paint doesn't come off easily. Once that was done, I began attaching the 2mm mirrors on the edges of the long skewers. I then attached the clock components, which I got from this wall clock, which I bought on Naivas for 350 shillings. I began gluing the large components to the back to avoid it from falling off. I then went ahead and attached the hour, minute, and second hands to the clock. My son also joined me for this project. He did a great job giving me the small mirrors. I finished up by gluing the 5mm mirrors randomly on the skewers. Finally, give it a good wipe to remove dust and other particles. This is the final product, guys. I must say it turned out better than I thought. The black skewers blend in well with the clock frame, and the mirrors give it a galactic finish. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like if you love the video. Until next time, take care and God bless.